this is how you can use this Leonardo AI to generate a very nice looking images just using words, right? So in this video, I'm going to take you through exactly how to do this. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you access to the prompts that I use so that you can also use it. And just with a few tweak around it, I mean, a few change of words, you can get a very good looking images, right? So without further ado, let's get started. Now, let me tell you something quick about what I did, right? So for this one, I'm using the fine-tuned models and I'm using 𝗦𝗦𝗕𝗦𝗦𝗕𝗦 V7. And I think that's all, right? Some of the generations I added negative prompts, some of them I did not add negative prompts. Like this one, I did not add negative prompt. That's how come you can see two sunglasses over there. This is the prompt that I use, and this is what you can also do. Okay, this is the prompts that I use. So perfectly centered, full body, cute baby boy wearing a student varsity jacket, wearing sunglasses, wearing headphones, standing position, etc., etc., right? So this is the trick or the tweak I want to give you, right? If you come here and you want to change something, maybe you don't want a boy, you can just come here and say, let me just play this. And I'll say something like pit bull, a cute pit bull. All right, so I'm going to use pit bull and I'm going to generate right here. Let's see what will pop up, right? All right, so we are waiting for this to generate quickly. And listen, this is something that you can also use to make money, right? This is something that you can also use to make money. Now, this is the images generated using the pit bull prompts. Now, what if I change that, right? What if I change it to, let's say, kitten, right? If I change it to kitten, let's see what will come up next. Right? So this is what I'm saying, that it's a simple tweak that you can use to generate the image. And like I said, I'm going to leave these prompts for you to use. Probably the link will be in the video description so that I can just have access to it and use. So good. You can say this is how it's looking right here. This is how it is looking. This is a kitten, right? This is it. This is a lady that is being generated as another version of what I asked for, right? Okay. So I believe right now you've gotten how this stuff go about, right? And maybe you have to make another complete video of this on how to generate prompts if you have no idea. Maybe just a little idea of what you want to generate, right? How to use another AI to help you generate prompts and stuff like that. So, okay. All right. I think this is going to be it for this video. All right. Or let's try another thing, right? Let's try another thing. Let's say, let's delete this kitten over here and use something. Let's say baby boy or baby girl. I think we've done with baby boy already. So let's say baby girl. All right, I click baby girl. Let's generate. I'm using, by the way, I'm using my, my tokens. I had 150 and I'm using it. It's actually a free account. So yeah, there's nothing to worry about. Okay. It is still generating. Let's wait for it to load. These are the previous generations right here. These are previous works, right? So now let's see what has been generated for us. Okay, this is for the baby. All right, this is it. It is kind of similar to this particular one right here. Good. Kind of similar to these ones, right? Now, one thing that I want to tell you is that even if you're using the same prompts, okay, same prompts, you will have different results with the same prompts. Okay, now let's try out what I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, using the same prompts, I'm not going to change anything. Let's tap on generate again. The same prompt that we use for this particular generation. Let's use the same prompt without changing anything and let's see the results. It is still generating. Let's see if it will look exactly like this one or there will be some changes. That's what I want us to look at, right? So you can see we have changes, right? So it's just kind of simply means that you may use the same prompts, but you may not have exact image, right? You may use the same prompt, but you may not have exact image generated for you. Look at this, right? And compare it to this. Are they the same? They may be similar, but they are not the same. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to let you know ahead of time, right? So you might even use the same prompt that I'm using. That's what I'm trying to explain. Basically, you might use the same prompt that I'm using, but when you generate, it might not be the same as my own right here. Okay. All right, so that's it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Check out this video showing on your screen right now if you've not watched my first part of this Leonardo AI video, right? So I'm going to see you in the next video. Bless up. Don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe for more videos. Peace out.